Okay, welcome to today's seminar, which is going to be on online earning, and we're going to talk about electronic commerce or e-commerce, so we know it. Basically, put together any business or any income that is generated on online or on internet is called electronic commerce, and this is where we are in today. Okay, who is it for? It's for everybody who is there. Be a student working to save for your future studies, working professional, working online, working part-time, or working from home. Leisure is not today's world at all. But today, if you look at it, a lot of people are working from home and not just part-time, they're looking at full-time to do something and want to work online because that's what you can do best from work from home scenario. And it's definitely for all the work educated moms who want to work from home and earn money. So this is for all of you. What I'm going to take you through today, I'm going to take you through company introduction, industry sectors, products and services. I'm going to tell you about the online earning, how you can earn, the earning potential, and how you'll get your payment. And of course, like you're making your notes right now, towards the end of the session, we'll come and talk to you. And should you have any queries, we'll be happy to answer to them. So introducing online marketing revolution, Renault Global Inc. is the company name. Renault, the logo meaning itself is happy and prosperous, and it is a digital marketing portal. Here we are showcasing our head office, which is in Las Vegas in the United States of America, state of Nevada. And we are also displaying our trade and business license issued to Renault Global Inc. And this is for people's consumption. And now I'm introducing Mr. Raymond Medeiros, who's the president owner of the company. In fact, way back in 1992, he was a pioneer who started a Newgate internet company, which was one of the first companies to market on the internet. And since then, over the last 40 years, he has managed many successful businesses and managed all facets of management and across many industries. Here I'm introducing to you Mel Gill, who is the Chief Executive Officer. He's ranked in the top 100 CEOs in the online marketing industry consistently in the last decade. 17 years and 29 years as a multi-million-dollar producer. He has opened operations in Europe, US, India, Middle East, Australia, Thailand, Japan, Canadian markets, and Asia Pacific. A minute on Renault Global Inc., a little more information. Our corporate website is at www.myrenaultglobal.com. Our social media handles are in Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn at Renault Global. And you can join us there and follow us from there. And you can also look for all our presentations and product details and everything that at resources at renaultresources.com and vimeo.com/Renault Global. Now I'm going to talk about Renault Global industry sectors. Renault represents three major industry sectors: technology, which is a $3.2 trillion industry; travel and lifestyle, $2 trillion industry; and health and wellness, which is a $4.2 trillion industry. This is where our products are in high demand and the focus on global trends. This will allow you diversification and ability to earn from multiple industries. With that, I'm bringing you to the first segment, which is technology. Okay, a lot of people who have come today saw an invite saying that, do you want to work online? Do you want to earn online? Do you want to work from home? And do you want to work using digital marketing powered by AI? This is that product. This is the all-in-one powered by artificial intelligence. So people who follow technology, intelligence, machine learning, or robotics are the front runners in technology. So artificial intelligence is what is powering this entire technology. This gives you every proven online marketing strategy. You can make your own website. I repeat, you can make your own website in less than half a day. And you can do blogging, social media marketing, content marketing, email marketing, customer relationship management, search engine optimization, online retargeting, analytics. If you look at it, this is a total thing that makes your online presence viable. And all of this is happening fully automated and AI powered, which is powered by artificial intelligence. Okay. Now, before we talk about that, let's also understand in today's COVID time, if any of your friends are doing better, is because they have a better digital footprint. And digital footprint is something that people are not generated over a small time. They are actually invested into technology and have been continuously building their brand online. And one of the reasons why a lot of you have not gone in is primarily because for each of the services that I spoke about, whether we talk about, say, website or blogging or social marketing or content marketing, email marketing, CRM, each of these individual products and actually sold by different companies. So you find it very, very complex. That's why this is very complex. Many times you need somebody to come and help you, but this product makes it happen for you. You can not only do your website, you can also do search engine optimization. A couple of slides how that happens. Your online ads get done, your social media marketing gets done, your blogs get done, your email marketing gets done, your CRM is done and your analytics are done. And that means that all that you need to create an online presence for any business that you are in, you have this product and you can take it online. Rest the AI engine does it for you. And what does it do for you? That is a proprietary 3-click marketing process that gets an online marketing strategy working for you in less than 30 seconds per day. 30 seconds? You're wondering how? Let me tell you. On click one, okay? This will take care of content and social media marketing. How? Because whenever you create a website, you're going to put your business category and subcategory into it. Yeah. So our AI engine will then find the most popular articles and videos from around the internet about your business category. Click one, share this content on social media sites like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter to build your brand as an expert and generate leads for you. Okay. The second thing what it does is that our AI engine will then add the content to your website's fully automated blog. AI live blogs will help you build your brand and will help you rank higher in Google, making it easier for your prospects to find you. So when you rank higher in Google searches, that is search engine optimization. And that is what this Click 2 does. What does Click 3 do? It takes care of email newsletters and online retargeting, which means our AI engine will then send the content out in an email newsletter to your prospects to keep a business top of mind and will automatically tag your website visitor for retargeting online advertising. So you see everything that is required to be done today where you think it's highly complex. Okay. Anybody with a knowledge of even operating an email or just a Facebook can start using this product, build their own website, create the entire web package in terms of social media marketing to having your online retargeting to everything that you need, and everything gets done thanks to this product. What can you do with this product? You can take your existing business online. Yeah. You may also have products that are there from other providers that you want to market. You can also use this platform or this product to create a website and promote those. And then you're saying, Sridhar, do we have some products that you can that we can take online as well? Because today everybody wants a plan. So sit back and enjoy, because I'm going to tell you about more product categories that not only make sense for you as a consumer, but also make sense to promote them. And I'm going to tell all about it. Okay. Plus, all this is a very simple process. Okay. Now, in order to learn this better, do ask the person who has invited you to send you a detailed presentation recorded by Dr. Senthil Kumaran on this entire digital marketing powered by artificial intelligence. And you will see for yourself how easy it is to build your own website and see all the features thereof. Okay. So do ask for the video from the person who has invited you today. Now I'm going to industry sector 2. It's about lifestyle, about travel. Okay. Now we're talking about hotels, resorts, homes, condos, flights, car rental, group travel, concierge services. And then we're also speaking about Renault meeting spaces, virtual dock, travel rewards, and hotel saving card. Can you please mute once again? Okay. Myself, thank you. So we're getting disturbance. I'm sorry for that. And to know more about it, let me tell you a little more about the travel industry. We've all been traveling at some point in time or not, okay? And we also always go to this online retail sites for good deals. And how do we get good deals? We compare the deals between all the different best, because we are value seekers. But do you know that the entire travel industry is monopolized, and there are actually two companies on the top, which is Expedia and Priceline, okay? It is owned by just the following two companies, which means all these various sites which you see is actually Expedia Group. Surprised? No, not just that. Even Booking.com is a Priceline Group company. It's a $15 billion company with a $5 billion profit, and still it's a Priceline Group company. Rent a Car or Agoda, Cleartrip, they're all Priceline Group company. And if I told you on the top, the management for Priceline and Expedia is still the same, how would you feel? And that is the deal that you're getting from the retail travel portal. Whereas the Renault travel portal is a wholesale travel portal. So I don't have to tell you the difference between retail and wholesale, because we know it. Okay. Now, what does our portal do? It will give you, the moment you buy this product, you'll get a username and password, you log in. And what do you see? You can book whatever you want that I spoke about. Plus, you're going to get $100,000 as hotel reward balance along with this product. How this help you get good deals, I'm going to tell you in the next slides. And to help you understand that, I will try to book a hotel in Dubai between 3rd November to 9th November, and I do continue. And what's happening? I get the options. So Howard Johnson at Burj Dubai is a 3-star hotel. The public price or the retail price is about $92.57. But what do you see? You get a saving of $36.57, which is enabled through your travel rewards. And therefore, you just have to pay $55.99. Isn't that wonderful? Because this site will also give you all details about the property that you want to know beforehand, before booking, all the amenities that are there that you want to know, all the photographs that you want to see. See 216 photographs here. You can see everything before you do your booking. And not just that, the hotel rewards are giving you a 39% discount from 92.57 to 36.58. And you pay only $55.99 per night. We are booking it for 6 nights. So let's see what's the price going to be. $335.94. I want you to remember amount. And after this booking also, you still have $780.52 still remaining for future bookings. Now, let's compare this. Okay, let's compare this with booking, because I told you that it's the largest site, right? Where a lot of people go. When people go, that is when the site becomes big, right? So we go there and we look for Dubai, 3rd November to 9th November. And what is the price? The price is $529 with $135 in taxes and charges, which means you're paying $664 for the same Howard Johnson in Dubai. Whereas at your Renault wholesale travel portal, paying only $335.94. So you see 45 to 50% discount. And that is what the wholesale travel portal is all about. Okay, great discounts. Not just that, you can even go book your flights, but you know that flights today are under stress. Flight companies are going bankrupt, but still you can go and do your booking. So we're doing a booking from Dubai to Los Angeles, the longest segment. In there also, after searching, it will give me the cheapest price option, which is $1,033.69. Not only that, it gives you best price guarantee, which is all the features that you look from an online booking site when you're booking airfare. Okay. Not just that, this travel portal also gives you 110% best price guarantee on hotel, resorts, homes, condos, and car rental. Why somebody gives you a price guarantee? Because they are very confident that the prices will always be better than wherever you are seeing. But if you still find somewhere cheaper, they will honor the 110% price guarantee. The best price guarantee is given back in hotel. There is no minimum amount difference. If there is only $5 difference, still the $5 difference will be paid to your Renault Hotel Rewards by putting the 110% best price guarantee. And Renault best price guarantee applies only after the booking is made. You must submit the proof of the exact room type, date, cancellation policy elsewhere of lesser cost. Not only that, when you buy this portal, you also get 50 numbers of hotel saving cards, which you will give them to a portal to use. And when they use that portal to do their booking, they can use this discount coupon or discounts hotel saving card to avail discounts as they book. Not only that, when they consume all the $100, you get $25 back in your hotel rewards. Isn't that wonderful? And that's why it creates a win-win proposition. And it's also a great prospecting tool. Oh, why prospect? I'm going to tell you, there's a lot more coming up. So hold back. So do write in and this will be answered soon. Like I told you, this is the site that, sample site that your guests will go and log in and use the card and they will get their discounts. Now let me tell you about Renault technology. One more product, Renault Working Life. You know, how would you like to own a private virtual meeting account? Similar account that we are using today to talk to you. A unique ID, up to 500 people in a meeting, up to 500 people in a webinar. All meetings are stored into unlimited cloud storage. You can host, co-host during the meeting or webinar. In fact, you can also broadcast meeting live on Facebook. Where does it come from? It comes from the reliability of Zoom. You know, Zoom is the largest private meeting portal, and Zoom has had a one-of-a-kind tie-up with Renault to create this kind of a unique proposition called Working Live. What can you do with this? You can launch your business virtually from home. You can broadcast your events on FB Live. You can create an interactive buying experience. You can coach and empower your team, and you can connect and follow up. Isn't it wonderful? Now we bring to you Renault Virtual Doc. It's a complete virtual health platform. It's very, very fast growing across the globe. It's very, very famous in US, growing in Europe. Soon it will be in India, where you can talk 24/7 to a doctor, therapist, medical expert, wherever you are, by a phone, video, and with no appointment. So today in COVID, you don't want to go to a doctor. You don't want to go to a hospital. So you can just call them up and get your, take care of your wellness and prevention. Your second opinion gets easy. Everyday care is available in 60 countries. And as this is growing, even you will see over a period of time, local doctors enrolling into this virtual health platform, and competitive and less expensive. Plus, if a doctor recommends a medicine, they will give you electronic prescription, and you can use the electronic prescription to buy the medicines from your local chemist. Now I told you about all the virtual products, and I'm going to talk about industry sector 3, wellness, which is now the center stage of every house. Okay. And we're happy to say that we launched these products on September 5th, and that is with the India Founders pre-launch. And currently these are available in India. And I'll tell you more about it, because the wellness products, if you see, there are two products. One is called immunity booster and glucose management. They both are manufactured in India. Yes, manufactured in India. And Black MP Living Powder is manufactured in US and imported into India. Black MP Living Powder or water is only available in US and Philippines otherwise, and now it's getting into India through import. They all come into the category of nutritional supplements or dietary supplements. So let's also understand what illness and wellness is all about. Wellness is defined as a state or condition of being in good physical and mental health. Illness is a disease or period of sickness affecting the body and the mind. But if you look at the beginning letters, V versus I tells you all the story. Because we are sick, you have to go alone. But if you talk about wellness, it starts with you, spreads to your family, spreads to your community, spreads to everybody. And that's how wellness is so, so powerful. And of course, prevention is always better than cure, right? To tell you more about nutritional supplement, we all know that our body requires a daily recommended intake of vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients. But however, today's food does not provide it. And that's the reality, okay? Even though this can be found in fruits and vegetables, most of the fruits and vegetables today cultivated inorganically, that is reaching your homes, plus the nutritional value is very, very low, okay? This is where a dietary supplement is intended to supplement the diet when taken by mouth, by mouth as a capsule, pill, tablet, or a liquid, so that it becomes an affordable and effective way to ensure you and your loved ones are getting a daily recommended intake of essential vitamins, minerals, and other important nutrients necessary for optimum health. So first product is Black MP Living Water. So before I tell you what it is all about, you see a bottle here. It is liquid concentrate, the way it is available in US and Philippines. It is coming in the powder form or sachet form. It is easy to carry, is it easy to sample, and is it easy to use? All you do is take a sachet, add it in water. What will happen to the water? Let's talk about that, okay? You know that your body is made up of 70% water. And if the water does not have all the nutrition that it needs, it can't function optimally. That's one, okay? Second, pH of our blood is 7.5, which means our body has to be in an alkaline state to be able to function the best, rejuvenate, recuperate, okay, heal faster. All that happens when it's in alkaline state and it's full of nutrients. But today's water, if you see the way it comes to you, you lose all the nutrition by the time it reaches you, okay? Plus, all the food habits that we have makes our body very acidic. So this is why Black MP Living Water or powder is the only mineral water in the world that contains probiotics, fulvic and humic minerals, 77 plus trace minerals, electrolytes, and a pH level of 10, which means it not only ensures that your body gets your daily intake of all the minerals it needs, but it also helps in increasing the pH level of your body to an alkaline state, which is the optimum state for recovery, healing, and optimal performance. Plus, it is gluten-free, no sugar added, dairy-free, USDA organic, it is BPA-free, and it is endorsed by who? NFL alumni and pro football legends have endorsed it, and it is carrying for kids, okay? So this is a one-of-a-kind product which is already doing a lot of magic stuff around the world. Now we will talk about the two wellness products that have been launched in India, along with the Black MP Living Water. These are immunity booster and glucose management. You're seeing from the pack itself, it's saying COVID-19 prevention. I'm going to tell you about it because everybody, you, me, children, everybody need products to stay immune, stay healthy, and have better glucose management. So that's where immunity booster is the most effective herbal solution for boosting immunity. And on the label itself, you can see all the details given, what it has and how it has to be used. It says formulated in USA, manufactured in India. It says COVID-19 prevention right there. And it also says all the certification this product has. From India, if you'll see FSSAI, US FDA, GMP, ISO, I'm going to tell you more about it. Okay, where it is manufactured and who is it marketing it exclusively. All that details are there. Now, of course, what does it have? It has got herb extracts. It has got Chirata extract, Kalmeg, Nimba, Amla, like this. All these extracts have been taken and put together through the use of modern science in the US labs and then brought back to India and manufactured in India. And this gives you prevention, including COVID-19. Why? What are the health? It helps all over because it is going to improve your metabolism, immunity boosting, weight management, digestive cure, liver protection, nervous system, repair, uh, respiratory ailments, improved energy levels and focus. Plus, it is also anti-cancer, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-cold and cough, antidepressant, mental health support, and much more. So it is overall a curative and preventive supplement, keeping modern stress issues and lifestyle in mind. It is suitable for all age groups. So everybody needs it. Now coming to Resolve, we all know that, if you're talking about India in specific, it's the second largest country with the number of diabetics, okay? And sugar management or glucose management is the only reason for it. Now, if you look at the same packaging, the Packaging International gives you all the details that I spoke about earlier, says enhances glucose tolerance, supports healthy insulin function, and promotes healthy blood sugar level. What does it have? It again has, it's based on ancient Ayurvedic formula, fenugreek, cinnamon, milk thistle, berberine, everything that we know about Ayurveda. Again, these are all very, very scarce herbs which have been brought from the highest sources and brought together through science from the US labs and then manufactured in India. Glucose management is the ultimate herbal solution for type 1 and type 2 diabetes and is only product in the world that gives you 360-degree solution for diabetes. Let's understand how. You know that pancreas in our body are responsible for insulin production, okay? And insulin is responsible for all the food that we eat gets converted to glucose, and then insulin works with glucose to reach all the cells, all the organs, so that they can get their required nutrition and energy so that they can heal faster, they can recover, there's a process. But whenever the insulin production gets disturbed in our pancreas, that is when you have a high blood sugar or low blood sugar, okay? So what are the health benefits of Reno glucose management? It is first reducing sugar craving. It helps in regenerating beta cells in the islets of pancreas. It helps to increase the uptake of glucose by the cells. It exerts an insulin-like action, helps to regenerate lipid mechanism, helps in preventing microvascular damage, helps in preventing diabetic retinopathy or oxidative damage, strengthens nervous system and reduces twitching in diabetics. It's an energy booster, antioxidant, antiseptic, and an immunity builder. Therefore, it is even good for a non-diabetic for improved metabolism and energy, and it improves bowel movement due to high fiber content. So why glucose management is unique and special from Reno? Because the unique 15 rare and herbal formula proven diabetes over eons of time, first time in the world. Herbs are sourced from India, Nepal, and Tibet. It's both curative and preventive. Magical results are in as low as 15 to 20 days. And clinical trials have been done with success of over 100 patients. And of course, I have told you under FDA, they have been categorized under dietary supplements, okay? Why Reno Wellness product? Again, if you look at it, okay? Today, what is the requirement? One is, you need to work from home, but you also need to stay healthy. So it fills a major need in the marketplace. It is a very unique formulation, worldwide exclusivity, essential in today's world, highly, highly consumable, and it's something different like gold in your hand. And it is first to the market as well. And let me tell you, I was telling you extract. So extracts are 10 times more powerful when compared to herb powders. So extracts are made by putting herbs in solvent like water and evaporate to get herb powder with max potency of the plant. Whereas herb powders are just dehydrated plants crushed into powders. And that's the reason why extracts are so more powerful than herb powders. Plus, what is the uniqueness? Products have zero side effects, no harmful chemicals, no preservatives, and completely herbal. Not just that, I told you they're formulated in US, manufactured in India. In fact, they're manufactured under the Ministry of Ayush. That is the reason we are able to write COVID-19 prevention right in the label. And Ministry of Ayush is nothing but Ministry of Ayurveda, Yoga, Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha, and Homeopathy. And not just that, it comes under certification of Drug Control of India and from US FDA or US Food and Drug Administration. Plus, it has got all other certifications from India. If you look at FSSAI, you look at the bottle also, we had FSSAI written, Food Safety Standard Authority of India, GMP, Good Manufacturing Practices. It's also halal certified, USDA organic and kosher certified. Not just that, organic agriculture, NOP certified, EcoCert certified, natural organic product certified. Plus, it has all the ISOs that are required for 9000, 14001, and 22000. You heard about all the products now, okay? You see relevance, you see that you want to use it, you want to use digital marketing product, you want to use the virtual suite of products, you want to use the wellness products. So let's talk about purchase options. Renault product purchase options is that you can buy using an ATM card or a credit card, Visa, MasterCard, American Express. But when you use a card, a processing fee of 5% additional will be charged. We also recognize digital currency, so we also accept Bitcoin and Ethereum. For all our friends in India, you can transfer funds from your Indian bank account to a bank account that we will share with you, and it can be done through direct bank transfer also. Now I'm going to tell you about the price of the product. So listen to this. I told you about the digital marketing product. You can create your own website, AI powered. So what do you get? Not one website. You get 10 websites. So you can make 10 websites. What can you do with it? You can create one for your business, maybe multiple for your multiple streams of business that you have or products that you're representing. Plus, you can also create your own resume today, which is an online website. How's that? And now we can also give it to our, wives who are going to run their own business of tuition, cooking, coaching, whatever they're doing. For trainers, you can use them for creating specific interest websites. Plus, today, even you can give it to your children because children also want their own websites today. That's how relevant it has become. And of them, 3 of them can be powered by an artificial intelligence campaign behind them. You can do 2,000 emails, unlimited social media marketing, search engine optimization, CRM, file sharing, and analytics. All of this comes for a one-time cost of $150. And for web hosting, you get $27 per month. Okay, and that's a very special offer because the same product, if you look at it, it's been picked up from a company called Nowsite, and on the Nowsite website itself, the product retails at $87 per month, and Renault brings it as a special offer to you of $27 per month, where you can web host all the websites, 3 AI powered campaigns. Not just that, I told you about the Gold Lifestyle membership, which gives you the wholesale travel engine I told you about, $1,000 of travel reward benefits, Renault Working Live, Renault Virtual Doctor. Artificial intelligence is also a pack of this, and 50 numbers of $100 hotel saving card. What do you pay for it? You pay a one-time charge of $499. And of course, you pay $27 per month for hosting your AI on the internet. Now, we also told you about the Renault India product packages because you've got all the wellness product into India now. So depending on your requirement, what do you need? Okay, if you need all the 3 products and how many of them that you need, you can choose a pack and buy that for yourself, your family, and everybody else. Now I've told you about all the products. I told you about all the products, and now I'm going to take you through a compensation plan. Isn't that wonderful? Because not just we told you that the possibility is that you can use digital marketing for your own products, you can use it for all the other products that you saw, but you can also now benefit from the compensation plan. So let's get to understand this quickly now. Now, before we go any further, you have to understand affiliate marketing. Because if you're in the online world, there's either digital marketing to get the leads, convert them through the sales process. And then once you've got a customer and they experience a wonderful product, they will promote it. And for promoting that, the customers get a benefit, which could be an earning. If you look at all the leading brands from Amazon to Flipkart to GoDaddy to Google to Microsoft, all the online companies definitely use affiliate marketing, where the concept is very simple. You join the company by buying a product, you promote all the products that the company has, and if people choose to buy those products, you earn income. Isn't that great? In fact, banks have been doing it forever. Banks have been doing this forever because you know that Citibank sends a mail saying, if you can get me a good customer like you, I'll give you 1,500 dirhams or 30,000 rupees to just get me a good customer. And all banks have been doing this. And this is where in online marketing industry, it's all called affiliate marketing, which otherwise was called referral marketing. Now, the moment I say referral marketing, I think there are some bells that are ringing into you. So you have to distinguish between, we're talking about affiliate marketing, okay? So when you hear referral marketing, you're probably referring to what some people have heard it in the past, which is, when you refer people and you do multi-level marketing. There are companies like Amway, there are Vestige, Indus Viva, all those companies, if you look at it, the typical model is that you actually buy a physical product from them, stock it, take it to your friends and relatives' house, and then you talk about that product. So you know everything about the product. You talk about the product and then you sell it. Most of the time you shove it, okay? And first time around when you go, you're welcome because Aditi Devo Bhav is the culture. So people welcome you. Then possibly they buy from you the first go. But slowly they stop picking your calls. They stop entertaining you. and they probably don't even open the door because they start looking at you as a door-to-door salesman. Whereas in the online industry, all the companies, G Suite, Google, everybody are using affiliate marketing as the most powerful tool where everything is happening online. You're not meeting anybody. You're not buying anybody and buying and selling. Everybody comes to a seminar, looks at the product for themselves, and they pick what is relevant to them. And that's how you promote. And for that, there is a lot of income. So I'm going to tell you about it in the coming slides. Now, of course, when you look at income getting generated, everywhere there's a compensation plan, right? Now, when you talk about a compensation plan, if you are employed, you've been to a compensation plan. What's your compensation plan look like for employed people? Salary, incentive, bonus, retirals. Similarly, if you're in trade, trade is all full of margins and schemes, okay? Now, depending on if you're in services sector, it is a cost plus markup or a consulting fee that you charge. So everywhere there's a compensation plan. Like that, we have also taken on compensation plan. Plus, you can either choose to pay for only one referral that you bring in or help you build a franchise through your referral practice and give you lots of money. So let's understand how that happens. So to begin, you actually start by becoming a brand promoter where you pay a membership fee of $49. So whichever product that you buy in the virtual space, whether it is your digital marketing powered by AI or the lifestyle gold package, you pay along with $150, you pay $49. So you pay $199 or $499 plus $49 is what you pay, and you buy the product. With that, you become a brand promoter. With that, you also get your own Reno website with your back office to track your commission and sales. You get discounted products also because wholesale pricing is available on all Reno products for Reno members. Okay. Not just that, how you will get paid is very interesting because Reno has a tie-up with PayQuicker from US, and it's an online payment gateway. And you can see on the gateway itself, you can see a statement, you can change your PIN, password, outstanding fees, and you can even link it to your mobile app. And it's an instant and secure payment gateway. So anybody, the moment they start earning money from Reno, they'll get an email with a link. You fill the link goes to the US bank, and the PayQuicker then creates a customized debit card for you in which will load all the earning that you have. It is shipped directly to your residence or the address that you provided, and you get your card. Isn't that great? Okay. And it's powered by Visa. So every Wednesday, yeah, we pay every week. Okay. So we pay every Wednesday, and that's our payday. And once you receive your payment, you can withdraw the money from ATM or use the same in any store. How to connect it to the mobile app? So we have the My PayQuicker mobile app in the App Store for iPhone users. We have it in the Google Play Store for our Android users, and you can link your account and carry your digital wallet all the time along with your ATM card. Now I'm going to tell you about, okay, we know how to get the money. We want to now make the money, right? It's so exciting. So let's talk about how do you make the money. These are all about referral, right? So referral bonus can be earned in two ways: weekly bonus and monthly bonuses. I'm going to tell you about both of them. And there's not just one weekly bonus. There are 4 types of weekly bonus that you can earn. And then there are monthly bonuses. First is retail sales. What do you do in retail sales? You only give your shopping cart link. So if anybody likes immunity booster or a Black MP living water or glucose management or any product, okay, you will only share myrenoglobal.com/India/ your member ID that you get when you register, right? The moment you give it to your friend can go online to the Reno portal, do an Amazon-like purchase by giving his credential, his details, swipe his own credit card, and buy the product which will reach to him directly. So there's no buying and selling at all. So it's only affiliate, right? But for doing this also, you get a 30% retail bonus. Isn't that great? Not just that. Whenever your friends come to a seminar like this and they choose any of the Reno products to join Reno, you get a 20% direct referral of fast start bonus. Okay. To help this, I'll tell you a very quick example. So for example, you came in, you saw this, and you have liked the travel lifestyle product at $499, and you have referred your friends to a seminar and they like the product again. So for them buying the product, you get a referral bonus of 20%, which is $100. But we don't stop with one. So we tell more people. So there's somebody else who has come and bought the same product, and you get, for every single person that you refer, you get 20% direct referral bonus. Is that great? Yes, it is great, but it's going to be greater. I'm going to tell you more about it. Okay. But with this, there is another start that is happening, which is you are also beginning a franchise, one on the left and one on the right, because this is where the future referrals start generating a business for you. Okay. Now we are talking about left and right. What does this start? one business on the left, one business on the right, or one referral on the left, one referral on the right, and you become a team builder. And team builder is the most important step at Renault, and you learn why. Similarly, if you take any other product also, you get 20%. So you're taking a digital marketing product. You still have one on the left, one on the right. You earn your direct referral bonus, plus you become a team builder. Okay. Now, when you become a team builder, okay, how did you become a team builder? By getting one on the left, one on the right. When we do the same with the people on the left and right, you get an executive bonus, which means this example, you're a team builder. The person on the right has become a team builder. When they refer to, they become a team builder. And for this, you get $100 additional for becoming an executive. Not just that, now I'll tell you, for every product that you buy, virtual or physical, as per the price, okay, now you look at the, just including the registration, GST, shipping, everything, you're also getting some volume, which is sales volume, okay? Now you have to remember sales volume. At 17,400 product Jumpstart, you get 60 sales volume. At Platinum, which is 93,900, you get 360 sales volume. So let me tell you a little more about how the sales volume work to give you next level of income. So whenever, so you see left and right business, right? So whenever there's a matching of 160 sales volume with 260 sales volume on the other side, which is 120 sales volume in total, which could happen left and right or right on left, it is counted as one cycle or matching. And for every such matching, you get a $30 income. Isn't that great? Now to help you understand this in the example, so you see the person on the left referred somebody, it's 2:1. Everybody has bought the digital marketing powered by AI product, $150, 60 sales volume, 60:120. So you got $30. It could also happen the other way around. You still get $30, right? So if we went to the previous example and just learn that when we have referred it to two of our friends and they referred to two each, not only they have made their money, how much money have you made? You made $30 plus $30 as direct referral bonus. You made $30 plus $30 as your matching bonus, because there are two people here, one person here, 2:1, and there's one person here and two people here, is 1:2. You made $30 plus $30. Plus, since you become an executive, you got $100, which means now you earned $220 at this stage. And how much did you invest? How much did you buy your product for? $199, and your product has become free, and you're also in profit. So as this grows, you get multiple matching bonuses, and that's a lot of money. And now I'm going to also tell you about monthly bonuses. Okay, but in order to earn a monthly bonus, there's a monthly bonus qualification, which means you need to purchase something every month. Now, what to buy? That is as per something called SmartShip. I'm going to explain you in the next slides. But when you buy every month and do a SmartShip, what will happen? The first thing that will happen is, instead of 20% referral bonus, you will get 40% referral bonus. Isn't that wonderful? Instead of $100, you make $200. Yeah. So that is how powerful it becomes. Plus, it opens the door for President's Club, monthly residual income, leadership advancement bonus, all of it. Okay. To help you understand this, let me now tell you SmartShip purchase options. These are things that we buy every month. So when you do artificial intelligence and you pay $27 every month for your hosting charges, you get half a point. Look at the point. Okay. There are products that can be bought at half a point, not only at a price because you're buying as a Renault member, but you also get points. And some products like SmartShip Special, you get immunity boost and glucose management together. That's 1 point. So you have to be on a 1 point auto ship to get the benefit of 40% and opening the door for everything else. Okay. So you got various options by which you can do a 1 point auto ship. So I'm giving you options here. Yeah. I've already spoken about it. So I've given the pricing, and what happens is when people in your Renault start buying, now there are going to be points on the left, points on the right. So whenever there is a matching of 3 points on the left and 6 points on the right, or 3 points on the right and 6 points on the left, it is called a matching for a monthly residual bonus. And for every such matching, you get a payout of $25 at the end of the month. Isn't that great? So as your Renault family grows and you've got more 3:6 or 6:3 cycle, in addition to all that you earned in the weekly bonuses, you're now going to earn in multiples of $25 for every matching. Not just that, performing consistently is also very rewarding at Renault. And that's where the leadership bonus comes in, because leaders perform consistently. So even when you start in the first stage, if you even have 2 cycles happening in a week, which is 1:2 is 1 cycle. So if you have 2 cycles happening in a week, for each cycle we pay you $30, right? Which means per week you earn $60. So if you do that for all the 4 weeks, 2 cycles, you get $240, plus the company gives you $50 bonus at the end of the month. Isn't that wonderful? Look how this money is becoming bigger. When you have 8 cycles on the left, sorry, 8 cycles happening, you not only make $240 per week, that's $960. You are also making another $100. That's almost $1,060 total. Isn't that great? And that's how powerful it becomes. As it grows to, say, 72 cycles, not only making $8,650, you're also making $2,500 at the end of the month. So people who are used to earning end of the month, this end of the month has already surpassed all your incomes, probably from the 5th stage itself, maybe from the 3rd, 4th stage itself. It has already covered your income. It has become bigger than it. Okay. Now, when you progress and your business grows, you get to a level of, say, 11 and 12. It is already paying you as much as a medium industry pays to an industrialist. And similarly, when you go to 13th and 14th level, you're earning as much as a large industry would, help you earn. And that is how powerful it becomes, that you earn weekly consistently. If you perform, not only there's income, there are also monthly bonuses. Not just that, Renault also gives you car qualifier bonus. How does that work? We spoke about the points, right? When you do 1-point auto ship. So like that, if there are 30 points on your left and 60 points on your right, you qualify for your first Pearl car qualifier bonus. Do this performance for 3 months, 30, 60, for 3 months, you start getting $300 every month as an EMI for a car. Yeah, EMI for a car. Similarly, when you have 50 points on one side, 100 points on the other, you qualify for luxury car and you get $600 worth of EMI. For Diamond Car Club, it's 100 on the one side, 200 on the other side. You get $1,200. And for Platinum Car, when you get 500 points on the one side and 100 points on 1,000 points on the other side, you get $3,000, not to buy a car. It's an EMI, monthly EMI to buy a car. So you see, as your Renault grows, what all possibilities come up and you can buy the car of your dreams. Not just that, I told you that we have a weekly payment system. So when you earn weekly, there are some recognition again, which is called a President's Club. So when you do $1,000 in a week, when you earn $1,000 in a week, you're called 1-star. When you earn $2,000 in a week, it's called 2-star. $5,000 in a week, it's 5-star. $10,000 in a week, 10-star. And $25,000 in a week, you're called superstar. That's 1 week, right? There are 3 more weeks in the month. So if you repeat this performance in the remaining 3 weeks, any 1 week also, what are you called? You're called a double 1-star, double 2-star, double 5-star, because you done $1,000 probably in first week, did $1,000 in the 3rd week, and you become a double 1-star. You earned your $2,000. Plus, the company also gives you a double star bonus cash reward of another $1,000. If you're asking me if people have earned it, more than 80 people in the last 3 months have earned 1-star and above. Okay. And they become double 1-stars and they got their bonuses. 2-star, double 2-stars have happened. 5-stars have also happened. And in fact, if somebody's asking $25,000 in a week, no, double superstar, 25 plus 25 plus 25,000 bonus cash reward. If somebody made it, we introduced you Dr. Sendil Kumaran when we started, where he has created affiliate marketing world records, right? And there we showed you, he went to earn $67,000 in a week, and he also qualified for a double superstar. He earned his $25,000, and I'm going to show you that check in the coming slides as well to show you the proof of what we are saying, okay? And it is also called President's Club, and it's an achievement at Renault. Now, of course, you'll say, I want to do Smart Ship. Is it compulsory? It is not compulsory for anybody to buy every month. If you buy every month, it opens the door for monthly incomes. Okay. Otherwise, you get all your weekly income, which is retail commission, unlimited fast start bonus, but 20% cycle bonuses you'll earn, executive bonus you'll earn, plus whatever you earn, 10% of that will get deducted as a GPU deduction. Plus, every year you have to pay $50 as annual renewal fee. But if you do monthly auto ship, it not only opens the gateway for all your weekly and monthly earnings, it makes you eligible for car club bonus. It also opens you gates for foreign incentive trip that I'm going to talk just in the next slides that is coming up. Plus, there is no deduction in your earning. There's no 10% deduction. Plus, you don't have to pay $15 annual fee. Isn't that great? That's the benefit. Okay. Now I'm going to, happy to launch a special promotion, which all the guests today starts today till 30th of December. And that is the launch of a new lifestyle package, which means we are also launching another powerful travel portal, which comes as a Renault lifestyle package, which comes at $550, and you get 180 sales volume along with it. Plus, you get $300 in a travel bank instantly. And I'm going to tell you how you can use it in the coming slides. But for fast track, okay, when you receive a direct referral, your guest chooses a product like this. Without Smart Ship, you get only 20%, which is $100. But with Smart Ship, if you're doing it, you get $200, which is 40%. Isn't that great? Have you ever heard For referring one person, you got 15,000 rupees, Indian rupees, unheard of. Nepali currency is much higher than this. Yeah, probably 24,000 rupees. Isn't that great? So look at the kind of money that you can make in the special promotion. Not just that, when you want to do auto ship by buying this product, what do you get for auto ship or smart ship? For $50, you get full access to lifestyle portal. You get hotel discount and gift cards that I spoke to you about. I showed you the ATS site where you can go and use the gift cards. Plus another $50 in your travel bank. So what is this bank? So when you join, you got $300. Plus every month smart ship getting $50. So you got $450 at the end of the 3 months. So if you do 3 months of smart ship, you got $150 in smart ship, $300 in joining. That makes it $450. And if you become a team builder, when you become a team builder, refer one on the left, one on the right, and you become a team builder, you got $450 that you can actually use for your travel in 2021. Isn't that great? Yeah. It's again a special promotion for people who are telling you about the special Thailand trip. It is from today till 30th of December for all our guests today. Okay, there's a lot of period. What you get in Thailand promotion is basically our annual celebration is happening, and it will complete 1 year, and we are celebrating in Thailand. The entire top management and top leaders of Renault from across the globe are going to be there. And I can tell you from experiences of such trips, these are life-changing events. How can you be a part of it? Very, very simple. Okay, you can earn money for yourself and qualify for Thailand trip. First is Frenzy Thailand. You can earn $1,600 in the first 4 weeks of joining. Okay, and if you're getting your friends at $550, it's about 8 guests. Okay, and you earn $1,600 when they buy a $550 product. And in the first 4 weeks, you're saying that 4 weeks, and you can earn $1,600 plus you earn the free Thailand trip. Plus, if you earn from now till December 30th, you earn a total of $2,700. Even then, you get a free Thailand trip. Only condition is all the 3 months you have to be on a 1-point smart ship till the time the trip happens. Similarly, if you're in your first Pearl Car qualifier journey, so this is for all the existing people. If you have 30 points on one side, 60 points on the other side for even 2 months out of the 3 months now till December, you will qualify for Thailand. You have to be still on a 1-point smart ship. Plus people who are already in the bronze level doing 12 cycles per week. If you do 12 cycles per week for 4 weeks, not only you make $360 per week, that's $30 per cycle, right? So 12 cycles and per week. So you make $360 into 4 cycles, plus you achieve a bronze title, plus you make a free Thailand trip. Isn't that great? 1-point smart ship will apply here as well for all the options that we have said. Okay. So I told you about the foreign promotion also, but now I'm going to tell you about the most powerful stuff. And here I want you to listen carefully. That is the power of duplication, which according to Sir Albert Einstein is the 8th wonder of the world. Okay. We told you when you have one referral on the left and one referral on the right, you become a team builder, and team builder is the key to success at Renault. I told you at the very first slide. So let's get to understand how this works. Because when you started in the first stage, you referred 2 people, right? And what we say, teach 2 to reach 2. So they will bring in their 2 people, then it becomes 4, 8, 16, and this is how it grows. It's a multiplication of 2. But I will soon tell you how powerful it is. Okay. So it grows like this. At 9th level, you already touched 512 people. You start with 2, and with each one referring 2, you reach 512 level in the 9th stage. Okay. This is also called stage 4. How to understand stage 4? Very easy from today's COVID world, at least. January, February, we're praying to God that we should not cross stage 4, because after the community spread happens, because that's where the fast spread happens. But in our business, it is a great news, because after this 9th step, the next 9th step that happened brings you to the 18th stage at 2,62,144 people. Now, whether you do this 18 steps in 18 weeks, whether you do in 18 months to duplicate, bringing 2 referrals each, or even do it in 36 months, whenever you do it at the 18th stage, you'll have this many people. And this is the power of duplication, called the 8th wonder of the world. But how it can be the 8th wonder of the world for you, I'm going to tell you now. You know that for every 3 people, okay, you get 1 check of $30, right? So if there are 2,62,144 people, you get 87,381 checks, and that is a whopping $2.6 million, 9.5 million dirhams, 20 crore India rupees, and 31 crore Nepal rupees. Has anybody done it? That's the first question. With you, Dr. Sendhu Kumaran, working with the same CEO Mel Gill in the previous company, did all the 18 steps and created a world record by earning $3.5 million. And he's already done it. And again, under his guidance, we just started. and we already reached 11th and 12th. We have reached 11th stage, growing to the 12th stage, growing across the globe. And I'm going to share that detail also with you. Okay. But I'll ask you, if you made $1 million, forget even a million. If in India you made 1 crore rupees, or in Nepal you made 1 crore rupees, would it not truly become your eighth wonder of the world? And that is the thought I'm going to leave you with. That is the power of duplication. And that is the true power.